Good morning, sir. I will discuss my solutions. So, problem number 1. Fritz took out for 185,000 pesos to purchase a car at 4.3% interest rate compounded annually. How much will be the loan be in 5 years? So, given P, which is principal, is equals 185,000, rate is equals 4.3% or 0.043, time is 5 years, future amount is unknown. Then solutions. So to get the answers, we use the formula, which is future amount is equals principal 1 plus rate exponent 5. F is equals 185,000, then add, so 1.043 exponent 5. Then F is equals 185,000 times 1.23430231. So, tiin man ito nagkuhaan ni. Nagkuha ta diri sa 1.043 times 1.043 times by itself kalima. So, kalima ni nato siya i-times by itself aron makuha ni nato siya ang 1.23430,231. So, then 185,000 i-times og 1.23430,231 kay ang result niya is 240,688.95 or 240,689. So, ato siyang i-convert. So, this is answer number 1, problem number 1. So, problem number 2. Harry borrows 1,200 from a bank with 8% simple interest per year. How much will have to pay back total in 2 years? So, given P is equals 1,200, R is equals 8% or 0.08, time is 2 years, I is unknown, so ato pangtaon, kasya may gipangta. Then solutions is interest is equals PRT, so mao din siya ang atong formula magamiton kay interest may gipangta. Then I is equals 1,200 times 0.08 times 2. So, ang atong unahon og multiply kay kaning principal og rate. So, ang iyang result is 96. So, ang 96, i-times nato siya sa 2. Kay ang 2 kay timeman. So, 96 times 2 is equals 192. So, nakuha na nato ang interest. Then, ang ato na sang sunod kaon kay ang total amount. A for stands amount. Amount is equals principal plus interest. A is equals 1,200 plus 192 is equals 1,392. So, ang atong total amount kay 1,392. So, mauni ang atong answer sa problem number 2. Problem number 3. Diane wants to open a showroom and borrows 48,000 on 12% interest rate. She plans to pay this after 4 years. What will be the principal plus interest she earns in 10 years? So, given P is equals 48,000, R is equals 12% or 0.12. Time is 4 years. I is equals unknown. So, siya na sad ang atong unahon o pangita. So, ang atong gamiton nga formula kay interest is equals PRT. So, I is equals 48,000 times 0.12 times 4. So, atong unahon o multiply ang principal o rate times rate. So, 48,000 times 0.12 is equals 5,760 times 4. So, 23,040. So, nakuha na ito ang interest. Ang interest na ito kay 23,040. So, total amount na sa itong ipangta. So, to get the total amount, we use formula. A is equals principal plus interest. A is equals 48,000 plus 23,040. So, total amount is 71,040. So, problem number 4. Alex won 3,000 from a video editing contest. If he puts his money in a bank account that earns 2.9% interest compounded annually, how much total interest he earns in 10 years? So, given principal is equals 3,000. Rate is equals 2.9% or 0.029. Then time is 10 years. So, future amount is unknown. So, mao atong pangtaon og una. So, to get the answer, we use the formula, the future amount formula, which is F is equals P 1 plus R exponent time. So, F is equals 3,000. 1 plus 0.029 exponent 10. So, F is equals 3,000 times 1.029 exponent 10. So, 3,000 times 1.330925. So, ang diintaan na nakuha og answer. So, the times gyapon nato siya by itself ka na po para makuha ni nato siya ang 1.330925. Then, ang kaning 1.330925 i-times ni nato siya sa principal. So, ang atong future amount karon is 3,982.78. So, nakuha na nato ang answer sa future amount. So, karon interest na sad ang atong pangtaon. Kay interest may ipangita diri sa problem. I is equals F minus P. I is equals 3,982.78 minus 3,000. So, ang atong interest di ay is 992.78. So, mao ni ang atong answer sa problem number 4. Problem number 5. Find a principal for a loan that has an earned interest of 3,500 with an annual rate of 10% for 5 years. So, given Interest is 3,500. Rate is equals 10% or 0.10. Time is 5. P is unknown. So, principal ang atong gipangta. So, to get the principal, we use the formula P. So, P is equals interest over rate times time. So, P is equals 3,500 over 0.10 times 5. So, ang atong unahon og multiply ang rate times time. So, 0.10 times 5 is equals 0.5. So, 3,500 i-divide nato sa 0.5. So, ang atong principal karon kay 7,000. So, mauni ang atong answer. 7,000. Problem number 6. Mark borrows 79,000 for 2 years and earns 10,017 of simple interest. Calculate the interest rate. So, given P is 79,000. Time is 2 years. I is equals 10,017. So, kay rate atong ipangta. So, mao gyapon ang atong pangtaon. So, magkamit sa tao, formula nga rate ang gamit. So, rate is equals interest over principal times time. Rate is equals 10,017 over 79,000 times og 2. So, 79,000 times 2 kay 158,000. Then, 10,017 i-divide o 158,000, ang result kay 0.0634. So, kay rate man, ang atong answer kay 6.3%. So, 6.3% mauni ang atong answer sa problem number 6. Problem number 7. If the interest earned was 55.20 on an investment of 230 that has a rate of 3%, how long was the money invested? So, given principal is 230, rate is equals 3% or 0.03. Then interest is 55.20. Time is unknown. So, time ang unknown kay mauman ang atong pangitaon. So, the solution is time man itong pangitaon. So, time sad ang atong gamiton nga formula. So, time is equals interest over principal times time. Time is equals 55.20 over 230 times 0.03. So, 230 times 0.03, result is 6.9. Then, 55.20 divide 6.9. So, the answer is 8 years. So, ang atong answer karon, ang time di ay kay 8 years. So, mauni ang atong answer sa problem number 7. The time is 8 years. So, this is my documentation of my answers or my solutions. Then, thank you very much.